Hello guys, this is Wunderbit Trading and we carry on with our weekly Bitcoin and Ethereum price analysis. Currently in front of you, you can see the weekly Bitcoin chart. The weekends were boring in terms of trading, not much was happening and the volatility was extremely low. The volume is not that good as well for the past couple of weeks. Which means that yes, we are going towards the end of this descending triangle. So shortly we're supposed to see some kind of breakout either to the upside or the downside of that triangle, and based on the decrease in volume it should be massive. This breakout should be massive. So let's look at the daily chart. Yes, you can see even the previous week was very calm. The lowest point to the top point 4%, which is for the cryptocurrencies, is not that huge of a swing. You can see that the past 2 days, so the 14th and the 15th of September, were around the same price, so they opened and closed around the same price. The volume, if we go even to the 4-hour chart, was very low. The price didn't move into any direction in particular, so it stayed more or less the same. You can see the flat on MACD, you can see the flat on the AO indicator. So basically we are waiting for a certain market move with a confirmation in terms of volume, whether it's going to be up or down. However, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, I think we can see that at least in the short run we can see this consolidation triangle as well, which is forming. So probably within this day or maybe next one, we should see the breakout of that triangle. And if it will be supported by the volume, we'll see whether it's going to be up or down. Currently looking at the broader picture, you can see our previous videos, because we discussed all of that in our previous videos, what are the probabilities and possibilities of Bitcoin to break out in the upper side of the triangle or to break it down. So you can just watch our previous videos and all our arguments in there. The more interesting asset is actually Ethereum. So if we switch to the Ethereum graph and we'll go to the daily chart, in the previous video we mentioned that this is a potential double bottom here, and it looks like it actually confirmed. So the bottom was this was the first one, the second one we broke down, we retested it, and now we're carrying on our way forward. So it seems like this double top formation is working itself out. Based on the AO indicator, we crossed the zero line, so we're currently positive, which is a very good sign for the trading chaos approach. We also going towards the zero line in terms of the MACD indicator, and at the same time we crossed the alligator above. So this one will be probably the first bifractal to concentrate on. At the same time, if we look at the overall movement, we can see the divergence here between the price, which was going down, and the AO indicator, which was going up. The thing which is to be suspicious about is the actual volume level. So it's not that big when we were crossing the balance line. So it seems like there were not much sellers and just one particular buyer could drive the price up. And this is something which concerns me. So this can be potentially a fake breakout through the alligator lines. So this is something to consider. However, Ethereum currently looks much more interesting in comparison to the Bitcoin. And if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, what we can see there is that it seems like we actually had our high over here on the 8th of September, and we're currently going down towards the alligator balance line. If we're gonna break this out, that means that the Bitcoin dominance is gonna decrease. Therefore, the potential top altcoins like Ethereum, for example, should increase in their price. And this is exactly what's happening right now. So this is a very important zone to monitor, because if you consider the triangle that is currently a descending triangle and will go towards the bottom of that triangle, that means that the Bitcoin dominance may go down if at the same time Ethereum will go up. And another asset which we currently in that I would like to show you is actually the Binance coin, and we're in for a daily trade here on a daily chart. So what was happening here is a nice divergence between the price and the AO indicator. At the same time, this bar on the 12th of September is a very nice bar to enter. So this was our entry point, just slightly above that. The stop loss is below, and the nearest target would be going towards this green line here. This is the first place where we'll take our first profit. And then we'll see what will be left in terms of the movement and momentum of the price, whether we can reach the balance line of the alligator. So this will be our first take profit target, and then we'll closely monitor what's going on. Okay, that's it so far. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our Telegram channel for daily reviews, and best of luck with your trading.